Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process to reinstate a disabled Facebook page. If you have a page that has been disabled or restricted from advertising, or something like what you can see here, page not allowed to advertise. You can't create ads or promote your page because it is restricted from advertising. This is one of my clients. She has been running the advert. She has not violated any policy. All of a sudden, the page has been violated. Okay, so what do? We have to take time to appeal to make sure that the page doesn't get permanently restricted, but we have to make sure it is rather reinstated. So before we appeal, there are some few things that I will let you know. You have to first of all check to make sure that whatever you were advertising on the page is not against Facebook policies. If there is anything like that, you have to go and delete it first. So for example, these are some of the things that were that have been advertised on the page. And if you take time to go through it, you see that everything here is about cakes, cakes and decoration, parties, birthdays, weddings. There's nothing here violating Facebook policies. So this one, we have to just know that this is definitely a problem from Facebook and not actually a restriction. So if you go through it in detail, you could see that if there is anything here that we know is a violation of policies, we have to delete it. Because when we request the review, Facebook would take time to review it in detail. And once we are actually violating a policy, then they would disable it permanently. So, for example, as we have gone through, as you can see, everything here is compliant. There's nothing here that doesn't comply with Facebook ad. And for those who have not taken time to go through Facebook ad, I always advise, and I've been saying that if you have not gone through Facebook ad policies, don't even run any advert on Facebook. Yeah, so you can come and type Facebook ad policies. Take time, go through their website, know the policies in detail before you even run any advert. Okay, so I'm trying to check the policies for you, but I'll leave the link in the description so that you can take time to go through it to make sure that you don't violate any policy. Because when you violate a policy, they will disable your account. And as the saying goes, ignorant of the law is not an excuse. So once you don't know the law and you violate the policy, your account will be disabled. So these are the policies. You can go. So these are the policies. You can take time to go through this. I will leave a link in the description for you to go through it, the ad review process, all the policies that you're supposed to go through. So you go through so that you will know if you are violating Facebook policies or not. So now, after you have gone through and you are sure that you have not really violated any policy, yeah, and you come just request a review. So you click on request review, go to get started. Then they will ask you to choose a reason for requesting a review of your page. Then you can choose another reason. Don't choose I am not sure which policy was violated, or I think there was an unauthorized use of my page. You should choose that one if and only if your page was hacked. That is, if I think there was an unauthorized use of my page, should be the option if your page was hacked. I am not sure which policy was violated. Don't choose that. Choose another reason. Take time to describe your reason in detail. And even before this, what I will advise you is, if in some cases, for page restriction, they may not ask you to verify your identity. However, in case they are asking you to verify your identity, you have to make sure you change your name and your birthday to match with the ID card so that you confirm your identity before you request for review. So that one, this is how you deal with it. If they are asking for you to confirm your identity, come back to your account, click on the top right-hand corner, go to your settings and privacy settings, then check the name, make sure your first and last name matches with the one on your ID card. And for your information, they take a national identity card, they take passport, driving license, voter ID. Then you can come on your home page, check the name on the left, go to your about section, check your contact and basic info, check your birthday, make sure it complies. If it doesn't comply, make sure you change it to comply. After you are done with all that, you come back, upload your ID card, and after that, they will ask you what's why are you requesting a review? Then you add your reason. So I have taken time to write in detail, and my reason is that this Facebook page has been restricted, and I'm told it is restricted from advertising because it doesn't comply with one or more of Facebook advertising policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. But I am extra sure that I have not violated any of their policies because I've taken time to study their ads policies in detail, and I can see that I have not violated any of their policies. I have run several ad campaigns, and none of them have ever violated their policies or have ever been rejected. I am extra sure that this will definitely be a mistake from their system. They should please reinstate this page for me because my business sales depends on Facebook ads to actually sell. So once the business is the page is restricted, it has really been a very disturbing news to the business because I can't get customers. I don't have any intention to violate Facebook policies, and this is and I am sure that this is definitely from their system. Even if it is a mistake I have made with Anoru, they should please forgive me and reinstate the account because it won't happen again. So after that is done, I click on send. So it has been sent. Within 48 hours, they will get back to us. So you need to take time, follow this process, appeal appropriately, and then within 48 hours, sometimes even less than a day, you will get a response from them. So you just have to, if they reinstate it, how will you know? You have to check in account quality. Okay. You have to come back to account quality to check. If you come to account quality and on account quality, you check under, you click on account quality and come. The outstanding issue will show there. And once the page is reinstated, you will see that it will no longer show. So you just take time and follow this process and you will get your page reinstated. If you have a problem like that and you are not getting a solution, please, we will help you be able to get back to advertise and be able to make more sales online. You can book for us to be on Zoom. You can follow the links in the description to contact us. I want you to take time and watch what you are seeing on your screen. We have worked for several other people who had similar problems, and they have all got their restrictions resolved, and now they can advertise again. So you can trust us. You take time to look at these reviews, and then we will be able to help you also get your problem resolved within hours. So remember to follow the links to contact us. Also subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section, and we'll help you. Have a great day and see you in the next video.